Divas, and welcome back to another video. My name is Priscilla. I'm a Nigerian women's wear designer based in the UK, and this particular video is long overdue. I owe you guys an apology, in all honesty. This is the one where I share how to take lower body measurements. So these are measurements that you could use to create your pants, your skirts, incorporate it into the bodice to make a jumpsuit, shorts, leggings, culottes, basically everything from the waist down. I'm going to be sharing how to take those measurements. I also share any tips that I think you should keep in mind when taking measurements on yourself or on your client, so you have an overall better outcome. If you'd like to see how these measurements are taken, make sure to keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it and find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe and join the K-Divas family if you haven't already, because you'll be one of the first to know every single week when there's a new video on the channel. Let's get into this, because I think this is one of those videos that I should have done years ago, but here I am, so let's do this.
Always by your side, I'll be always by your side. Through shifting skies and endless miles, I walk with you through every trial. And it's enough, I gotta say, it's super important, we all need a place we can just check in, kick back, unwind, surrounded by widows that feel like mine. These are the people sharing you up, tears for tears when things go wrong. Oh, a friendly show, yeah, they got your back.